Okay, so Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind sir.
How is the जोश everyone?
Hi sir.
चलिए, तो जिस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों में कितना जोश है, जुनून है, और आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है आज हम डिबेट करेंगे. So today we have two team. This is team A and this is team B. So our topic is advantages and disadvantages of internet. So this side advantages of internet and this side disadvantages of internet. So gentlemen, let's start.
So, good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Today we are doing a competition between the team Alpha and team Bravo. So, we are in the favor of the advantages, and you are in favor of the disadvantages. So, let's start the topic. So we see that in the internet of the advantages, there is the highlight. We can see that we can book anything from the advantages of the internet. Like we can see that the apps are also available, like Amazon, Meesho, and etc.
How can you say that you are dependent on the internet? You have to depend by yourself only. You can't buy online things. You can, but you have to depend on yourself.
If what happened, the COVID-19, if again are going on to 2026.
This is only a serious situation that we have to do this. But nowadays, this type of situation is not available in nowadays. You have to go. You can go and you can buy all these things.
Okay, but we have not such time for these days. For example, if means parents, for example, couples are doing the jobs. For example, the man is doing in these jobs, and the woman is doing these jobs. So that so they do not have the time for buying anything from the market. So they can order the order from the Meesho and etc. apps.
I partially appreciate with your point, but as you know,
In nowadays, there are so many people who are too much addicted with the smartphone, with internet also, and they are mentally and physically also addicted by that. That is also very bad for their mentally and physical health.
So I partially appreciate your point, but in my opinion that you are telling that we will talk about education sector, that education in now a time the virus like in coronavirus. So there are so many online classes only. So internet is also useful, and we can use for studies also.
I partially appreciate with your point, but why are you taking only COVID-19? This is I said that in my previous sentence that it is previous time. You have to talk about present time.
So if we talk about not the internet or the advantages from the apps, we can see from the many marks are given from the schools and the colleges are, for example, the colleges are giving the means the projects from the schools and colleges. So they have must need the internet from every student for doing the projects.
How can you say that if you see in past time they are also not internet but they are doing their work? So we can do this work in nowadays also.
Okay, so let me so you can answer this question that if you are in so if you if you are in this way and you lost you, for example, you are in such a kind of in any place. So what you and you don't know the place of your home. So what you do?
If I don't know the place, why I go there?
No means if you go from the auto rickshaw and the auto rickshaw.
Why I am going there if I don't know about this place? If I know this place, then I go.
If you go means for example, if
This
you
is
go
not the part of internet also.
that the Google Maps. It is the part of the internet. If you lost and you don't know where is your home, so
That's what I want to say. If I know this place, that's why I am going there. If I don't know why I am going there, it's my fault that I am going if I don't know.
So in my opinion, also is seen that AI is great master but dangerous enemies also. You know that AI is corrupting all over sectors, and it helpful, but we can say that it increasing unemployment, poverty, and kind of destroy our infrastructure also. We
So I
can say
partially
that
agree
also
with your point, but you were saying that
we all
it
know
is
that like we
it is
have
bad
talked
things for
about.
our life. So if we see that in the school's life, that is important because in every school the smart boards and the smart lecturers are given by the smart boards, and not only the smart boards. We can see that the why the camera also means the smart camera. It is also the part of the artificial intelligence. We can focus the why child on what is doing, that the child is that is focused on the child. It is the part of the AI.
Okay, I personally appreciate with your point, gentlemen. But AI, when the people are student in 18 below, so you seen that the people are using all over sectors like all over media sector like Instagram and Facebook. They are creating AI generating videos and uploading social media platforms and doing bad things, bad activities also. It is influent our bad things activities like you seen about the crime of. The crime of MMS, the crime of AI generated video in social medias. These are the AI generating videos to using student, that is called bad things for.
Okay, so I partially agree with your point. You were saying that we can don't understand the varieties of the artificial intelligence, the crime is really or not. But if we generated to the artificial intelligence that the any many apps like ChatGPT and Gemini, that is the role of the AI. And if we include to the photo from the Gemini, so we can know the answer that is the AI or that is the fake or the real. So we can so that is the advantages of AI.
So in my opinion, I partially agree to your point. Disadvantages of AI. The many people are police, the people are also uploading bad things in by AI like Instagram, Facebook, these apps, and the AI is the and AI means the artificial intelligence.
I partially appreciate with your point, but as you know, we are living in 21st century and AI is advancing day by day. If I talk about in previous time there are so many skills who are not available on internet. But if I talk about nowadays, there are so many skills who are available on AI that we can give our skill also. If we have some skills, we can also give internet and AI support us.
I partially appreciate with your point, gentlemen. But AI is a robot mechanic, and we all know that AI have no emotions and no feelings. So AI can't understand properly humans.
I partially agree with your point. You were saying that the AI and the robots cannot understand the feelings of the humans. So you know the Elon Musk, that the AI car, that is the Tesla. We can say that it is a AI generated car. That is the automatic. And if we say that in the other countries, for example, you can say that in the IPL, the dogs, means the robot dogs, that they understand the feelings. And we can see that the other means the other countries from the India, Elon Musk, the AI robots, like it is controlling by the human. It is like controlling by the human, and we can see it is more important. It is like benefit for our life, and it is structured and beneficial for our life, and it do work like a human. And you were saying that emotional, so we can see that emotion.
But you
they
also
can
see
help
that
they
the
can
robots
help
are
the robots.
understanding our feelings. But when you know that in IPL, robots are only capturing a movement of players, only capturing a movement of shots players.
You can talk about your ChatGPT, Gemini, and for example, your for how I am, and you can that means how I am. They will question with you, and how is your feeling is getting, and the question from that the ChatGPT and the Gemini also, that is a part of the AI role.
Okay, so as you mentioned that for AI is good for our health and our environment. Okay, so my question for you: why are cyber crime and cyber fraud are increasing for AIs?
Just because people mindset are that type.
Let me explain. You know, seen that AI is also in our cyber crimes and cyber fraud. It also tips to persons to this type of things when you create this type of things, and when you create when you create websites and many other illegal things. So they also help for your regardings. Whenever the AI is not help to this type of things, the persons are not doing crimes for our generations. When we all know that when we have any person to get advice for our health and for our environment, We are definitely do that when we have not advice for this type of things, AI, this type of things. We are not doing this type of things, and we have also less our crimes.
I partially agree with my partner point, but we know AI is two parts, like a positive point and one is negative point. If negative point is AI, so people are using to negativity, like a photo create and editing.
This is not
video
type of
also.
negativity. We are creating our memories.
And helping to AI. So there are many type of issues.
Yeah, I partially appreciate it with my partner point. As I talk about the previous case of AI, one person Susang generated AI videos from Suman. Suman is
ओके बेटा, सो जिस तरह से आपने देखा कि डिबेट जो है हो रहा था, अभी जो है आपने कुछ पॉइंट आपने देखे होंगे जो इन्होंने जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट किए, हो सकता है सही हो, गलत हो। अगर ऐसा लगता है कोई चीज़ आपको तो प्लीज़ आप बताइएगा। देखिए, जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है कि मिस्टेक प्रूव्स दैट यू आर ट्राइंग। तो असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे तुम स्वीकार करो और स्वीकार कर सकते हो तभी आप आगे जाते हो। चलिए इसी के साथ थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।